Hello and welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Today we are making bruschetta. You will need 4 tomatoes, a bunch of basil leaves, purple onions, garlic powder, a dash of salt and pepper, olive oil, and balsamic glaze. I like to give credit where credit is due. A friend of mine served this as an appetizer in one of our church gatherings, and I really liked it. And I asked her for the recipe, and now I'm sharing it with you. I hope you enjoy it as well. Thank you, friend from church. I started by squeezing the juice out of the tomato and then cutting it into smaller pieces. Once you have sliced everything, it's time to add your garlic powder, salt, and pepper. The key ingredients for this dish is definitely the olive oil and the balsamic glaze. Make sure your olive oil is extra virgin. You can use French bread for this, but my favorite bread to use is Rosemary olive oil. Now that the bread is toasted, you can add your mixture to the bread and add more glaze to it. Here's the finished product, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I wanted to clarify that this is the way I'm making bruschetta. This may not be the authentic way of making it, but it still turned out really good. I hope you make it, and if you do, please leave me a comment below. See you on the next video.